Hi everyone, we're Team 5 and this is our Project 3. During our brainstorming session, we noticed that high quality phone cases produced nowadays were quite expensive with preset themes. In other words, customers did not have the ability to tailor them to suit their needs. We thought that a possible solution to this problem would be cheap and customizable phone cases that were 3D printed. Although our idea seemed novel at first, we needed an experiment to test our idea. Since we already had a 3D printed phone case, we decided to try selling it to a customer and see if they wanted to buy it. We followed up by asking more customers if they would buy our phone cases. Overall, the experiment was a success, and customers gave us valuable feedback regarding factors such as case durability, design, and customizability.
We interviewed 11 people regarding cell phone cases and their interest in our product. 9 of these people were interested in buying one for themselves or for a friend. However, the other 2 people were not as interested in our product. This is an image of our business model canvas. When constructing our business model canvas, we started by first searching for a problem that cell phone users face. We simply went around the ugly and asked if people had a case on their phone and how long they've had their case.
Hi, I'd like to ask you 2 questions regarding your cell phone. One, do you have a case on your cell phone?
Yes,
And 2, how long have you had that case on your phone?
about a year.
We found out that over 80% of cell phone users have phone cases and discovered that many of them have had their case for over a year. After performing customer discovery, we recognized that the main problem that our business solved was providing a cheap phone case that provided personalization or spirit, temporary protection, or a gift for friends. Our company, CAS3D, benefits anyone who has a cell phone and is looking to change up their phone case or buy a new one. After creating the backbone of our business model canvas, we started advertising and marketing our idea around campus. We hung up flyers in the ugly, made a Facebook page promoting CAS3D, and an Instagram account to reach customers through social media. Throughout this project, we found ourselves to be quite lucky. Because we quickly made some 3D printed phone cases, our first experiment was to just try and sell one. To our surprise, we found customers quickly and didn't have to make any large changes to our original business model canvas. Instead, we made 2 minor changes. Our price and an added cost was needed. The cost of making our product was basically nothing because we used free University of Michigan provided 3D printers. However, after making about 6 phone cases, the university staff who were managing the 3D printers got annoyed that we were using all of the 3D printing material. Thus, we had to buy our own material, which luckily was very cheap. It cost about 10 cents per phone case, which still allowed for high profits. Additionally, we sold our first product for $3 just because we were trying to get our first sale. After the sale, we talked to the first customer and realized that if we raised the price to $5, we'd still make sales.
Three D printing is making a physical object from a 3D digital model by laying down many thin layers of a material in succession. In order to design an accurate 3D model, I had to take many measurements of my actual phone. I got the overall length, width, and height values from Google. To get the location of the buttons and the camera though, I used a ruler to measure the distance of the buttons and the size of the buttons. Since I couldn't use a ruler to measure the curves on my iPhone, I imported images from Google and traced the curves onto my digital model. Once I had a model of a phone, I could expand the entire model and haul it out to make a phone case. Once I had a model of a phone case, I could edit it and make any designs I wanted. I exported the files into a certain type that 3D printers can read and print. There are a lot of tricks and things to learn about 3D printing, like when to use support and when to lay a model flat on the bed. After a bunch of failed attempts, I managed to print working models. The pros of 3D printing are that it's cheap and easy for customizability. Since CAS3D is all about custom phone cases with unique designs, using 3D printers was optimal. Normally each phone case only costs a couple of cents to produce, but by using the school's 3D printers and resources, we could print phone cases for free. After getting a working model, we were open for business. Our startup CAS3D was also featured on the UMich Design Lab blog, helping us spread the word and the name of the company CAS3D.